Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to pin the control panel to either the start menu or the taskbar on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Kung paano ba natin ito ipin to start menu or taskbar, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all we have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel. And then dito lang sa kanyang blank space area, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And makikita mo na kaagad dito yung pin to start and then pin to taskbar. Okay, so for example, i-click natin tong pin to start. So click mo lang yan. And then, locate natin dito lang sa start menu, click mo lang yan. And makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan na nakapin na dito sa ating start menu itong control panel. Okay? So, kung gusto mo itong i-unpin, so right click ka lang, select right click, and unpin from start. So, click mo lang yan. And then, nawala na siya. Alright? And then, kung gusto mo naman itong ipin to taskbar, so type mo lang dito control panel and then same right click and select mo lang dito yung pin to taskbar, so click mo lang yan and then makikita mo na dito mga kaibigan dito sa ating taskbar ay nakapin na siya. Okay, so kung gusto mo itong i-unpin, so select and right click ka lang and then i-click mo lang dito yung unpin from taskbar, so click mo lang yan and then na-remove na siya. Alright, and other tricks na pwede natin gawin, so sa iyong keyboard, on your keyboard, press mo lang yung Windows key. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CPL. Okay, so control panel yung makikita mo dito. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito either to pin to start or pin to taskbar. It depends on your options and choices mga kaibigan. Alright, so ganito lang kasimple. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to pin control panel to start menu or taskbar in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.